Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Photos so you can act immediately. Open the app and find the live photo. Tap Edit in the top right to reveal the live icon. Those concentric rings show it's a live photo. If you might want the original later, make a duplicate first. This preserves the moving version. Once the live icon is visible, you're ready to change its state. You do this because disabling live reduces file size and keeps a static still for sharing or faster performance. Tap the live icon once to turn live off. The rings will dim indicating it's now a still. If the thumbnail still isn't the exact frame you want, drag the frame strip at the bottom to choose a new key photo before you save. This sets the exact saved pixel you'll keep. Once satisfied, tap Done to commit the change. This action replaces the live behavior with a single static image, which is why you confirm the keyframe first to preserve the visual you want. When you have many live photos, select multiple in the album and edit individually, or use Apple's Shortcuts app to automate turning live off in batches. This saves time. If a photo reappears as live after syncing between devices, check iCloud Photos settings. Sometimes the original live version resyncs. Temporarily disable iCloud Photos or toggle live settings and resave. Finally, duplicate any file before making changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.